What if you could launch your own web design business in literally 24 hours? In fact, you can create a fully structured SEO website in under 5 minutes and charge clients for it. So first of all, you want to open up Google Maps and you want to type in a city name and the niche. So the first company that comes about is this one, Acme Manufacturing. And let's open up their website, see what the website looks like, what we could potentially improve and stuff like that. As you can see, it's a pretty basic website, almost seems like a landing page. Most freelancers and agencies are spending literally days on website projects, and it literally could take hours, if not minutes. And most of those sites, even after all that work, don't actually bring in any client leads. Here, these guys don't seem to have a lead form at the very top, which is not good. So today I'm going to show you the tool that changes both of those things, and it's called WebHub. So whether you're building for yourself or delivering websites to clients, this is worth knowing about. And the coolest part is WebHub is an AI-powered website builder that is currently in early access, free to try. So head down to the description. You're going to find a link to this tool, and you'll be able to follow the entire process of how to create these websites. So when you basically register on here, you're going to end up on this page. There's definitely a lot of different website builders around the world already, right? But what is super important specifically for this tool, it can generate you pages, but also it can help you with other things such as SEO, lead forms, content strategy, basically all of it in one place. For a solo project, that's annoying if you have to manage all these things separately, okay? And if you're delivering it to a client, that's a problem. And using WebHub, you can actually do this all in one place. All you need to do is you type in the name of the site, and here you type in how you want this to appear, and then click start creating the site. This will take a little bit of time, okay? So the initial website setup is already done. Now you're gonna go onto here, click on AI Builder. Now this is why WebHub is different. It's built around a different idea that a website should be a growth system from day one with SEO, lead capture, all of that already in the tool, not an afterthought. So what you want to write over here is you want to type in, for example, please create me a website called, so this is the name of the company, okay, Acme Manufacturing Company Inc. On here, as you can see, it's already aligning the strategy, so you can change certain things if you want. It can be a blog, it can be a brand, you can change these things and it will actually adapt accordingly. You can choose a different language, you can have basic features, you can have form collection and stuff like that on here. This is fully customizable for you. This is the first step, so you want to click on continue. As you can see, this is actually something to do with metal, okay, metal fabrication. So we have already suggesting one of these templates that is actually top one because it's very relevant to what we're building. So choose that, click on generate site. So this is the website AI builder. The more you describe the business, what it does, who it serves, what goals it has, and stuff like that, WebHub will generate a better website for you. Core pages, content, images, and stuff like that. For your own business, that's a huge time saver. But think about what it means if you're working with clients. And here's the thing. As you can see, the whole website is already there, including the web form that these guys don't currently have on their landing page. You can change anything what you see on here. And to do that, all you really need to do is you choose one of these teams, okay? Once you choose a team, you can choose some other details as well. You can add the name on here, you can add phone number, email, and then you can click on apply template. Client briefings used to mean weeks of back and forth before anything was on screen. Now you can basically get clients' website and get them a full-on preview of what you can create for them in literally 5 minutes. And that changes the entire dynamic of how you can sell and deliver projects. What I want to show you as well is you can also switch to the next thing, which is the entire workflow. There is a built-in SEO, AIO, and GEO. So what that basically means is that after you actually set up all these things, you can set up Google Analytics, you can add and connect your domain name and all that kind of stuff, you can actually basically implement the SEO features. As you can see, all these features are available for you to implement in the site once it's ready. What separates WebHub clearly from every other website builder is that SEO is built from the start. Page hierarchy, schema, markup, semantic structure, all of it is baked during the build, not a thought that is added later as a plugin, maybe weeks or months later. This matters enormously if you're delivering websites to clients, because does it rank? This question is really common. So you can set up all these things. You can set up SEO and stuff like that. And here's the site that you can customize as well. Like I said, not only it covers AI optimization, GEO, generative engine optimization, which is ranking on ChatGPT and similar chatbots. That means the site structure is going to show up not just under traditional search, but also AI-powered results too. And I was telling you how easy it is to modify these things. So, for example, I didn't like the fact that some of this text is not bolded. Let's say this one. So I can choose that text, I can click on that, and if I wanted to, for example, change something, if I wanted to make this bolded, I'm able to do that. I can change the size, I can change the weight, and I can change anything I want with this. I can also add a section if I want on there. I can add an element, H1, H2, images, forms, sections, buttons, anything I want, I can add on here. When it comes to AI optimizations for SEO, this is actually a lot. This is actually a lot of value that we can add to our clients. We can modify this. URL settings, we can modify this. URL redirects, we can modify this. And of course, at any time, you can preview the site and see how it looks in the real world. So we have this form, which is really important because lead capture and conversion, this is where client ROI becomes a real conversation. On this website, on the landing page, we actually don't have a form, and it's a problem. We want to have a form so people actually visit their website, okay? We can, of course, still change all these details according to what they basically need, but we want to have a lead form, and ideally even higher up on the site. So WebHub builds conversion paths into the site from the beginning. Forms, call to actions, journeys that move the visitor towards becoming a lead or sale. So once users start leaving contact messages through the forms, whether on here or elsewhere where you add a form, you're going to be able to get the answers on here. Actually, one more thing worth mentioning is the AI Copilot. This is really amazing. It's integrated in here. So once the site is live, the Copilot helps to maintain and grow it through natural language, content creation, SEO planning, page editing, site reports, creating content and blog pages, everything in one place. So all you basically need to do is ask it to create you SEO weekly content, okay? Add the relevant information. Then as you add the information, it's going to create these articles for you. So if you're a freelancer or an agency, WebHub lets you build faster, deliver better, and create a genuine upsell path through ongoing site management. If you're a business owner, it gives you a site that's actually built for growth, not just design and aesthetics. Early access is open and free to try. The link is in the description below. Check it out and see what you think. If you're going to be reselling websites designed with WebHub, all you need to do is find clients like this on Google Maps, ring them up or send them an email, and then create websites for them and charge a few $100. That's basically a business model that almost anybody can try. Whether it works or not depends on many things, depends on the clients that you choose, depends on your skills, depends on how you can handle these phone discussions with them or your email marketing skills. But it's a real business that I've seen people actually earn money with. So hope this was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in this video next.